Hi there, today I am going to show you HAVELLS trimmer which is ordered from Chroma store. The price is 1129 rupees, but I have paid only 129 rupees, and remaining 1000 rupees have been used gift cards which have been earned from Edge rewards. I have did an video for that, how to earn the rewards. You can check it out on my channel, or else I will provide in the description if I did it in another channel. Okay, let's open the package now. They have been delivered using e-cart. Actually, Chroma store is not available in Gudur. It is available in Nellore. I feel very happy if they bring a store to Gudur also. So the Chroma bag has been removed, which is not eco-friendly. Actually, most of them now packing with eco-friendly by Amazon's or else Flipkart. Anyway, it is biodegradable plastic. I can see it's not very thin. Okay, in the back side they have provided the details for delivery. Now let's see the beauty of the show. They have been sent this box in the bubble package. Look at this. Okay, it's red in color. Here is the package. You can pause it and read the details if you want. It can come up with 0 to 5 mm. You can trim on to that size, and it is screen friendly. LED indicator is there. To charge it needs 8 hours, and it will give you 45 minutes of backup. They did not remove this one. Actually, they have to remove this, but I don't know why they did not remove this. It is a store tracker. Whenever you bought this, they will remove this in the store, but it is an online they sent in online, right? That's why they did not remove, I think. Anyway, I will keep it aside. It's like a blade. Okay, let me remove it. It is damaging the box. Okay, there is no tape on the top of it, so let me show you what are the things they are sending with the box. They have sent a comb which is unique in style. Look at this. It's very unique, right? Thinner size and thin size, very nice looking. And charging cable, okay, and trimmer, very nice, right? With brush and blade. They did not send any charger, only cable have been sent. We have to use the charger separately. I am feeling very bad about it. They should have been sent a charger. I have Philips charger with me. I will try to check it out. It will support or not. If it is support, I will mention in comments of the video. Okay, that's it for now. Look at these things they have sent in the package. Let me see, is there any battery? Yes, there is battery. It is giving some noise, less noise. Nice product. So these are the available and things in the box. You can charge with any USB here. Look at this. It is a USB charger, so you can charge with any charger, so no issue. After seeing this, I have thought that a Philips charger is needed, but no, you can use any adapter for charging. It needs 5 watt 5 amperes. So any charger can be used. Don't use powerful charger, use old chargers, they will be very good. Home is unique here. I'm feeling it is very different, it's like a knife actually. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. Please do support our channel.